Hi, my name is Binay and I'm going to start with the essential Python training. It's a high level modern language that supports scripting and ops concepts. It is used from building a small applications to almost everywhere, like building complex web development applications and building various desktop and mobile application and a lot of other things. So let's get started. So this is about me. I'm a full stack Python Django developer working in a reputed software company. I mainly work as a full stack web developer using Python Django, and I'm always happy to help anyone who wants some help from me. This is these are the few details from using which you can contact me. This is my YouTube channel link. This is my Facebook link. This is my blog site where I put my blogs, and this is my LinkedIn, and this is my email address. You can email me anytime, and I'll put a link to this. I have put this slide on slides here. I'll put a link in this bio of this video also. So let's get started. Let's discuss about the prerequisites of any computer where you want to start coding in Python. Essentially, you need a setup of Python version there, like if it's a Linux machine, Python 2.7 comes by default. If it's a Mac machine, in some machine it comes by default. If it's not there or the right version is not there, you can just do brew install Python in the version. Same with the Ubuntu machine also. If it's Linux machine also, if the the version you are thinking to use it, if it's not there, you can just do sudo apt-get install the version name, and you can install it. And this is what we are talking just now. Or you can just for Mac, you can just simply go to this link and download this file and install it. For Windows installation, you need to go to this URL and download the file, install it using the installer, and put this to path, like your Python path and the scripts directory inside the Python path into your environment path variables in your environment, which you can access by right clicking my computer and going to the properties, then environment variables, then add a path and add this to. So once you are done, you should be able to go to the terminal or the command prompt in Windows. Just type Python. It will show you the Python version here. If you have installed Python 3, you can just type Python 3, and it will give you the Python 3 version installed in your system. So after that we'll get started. The next important thing is the editor. Editor plays a very vital role in coding in Python, because there is no braces there in the code. This is very well readable code, and that's because it's using indentation to differentiate between blocks of code. So if you are using the right editor with the right plugin, your editor will take all the headache of indenting and aligning your code. You don't have to do anything. You just have to write good. You just have to think the logic and write good code. So that's all for this slide. From the next slide onwards, we will start on various features of Python. We will discuss about like what are the various data structures and data types and a lot of other things, and we will be giving you some task at the end of every tutorial, and if you can solve it, then you can mail me. We will discuss more on it. We will point out some major mistakes that people do. So stay tuned. Thanks.